start by pulling the wiper arm up, and then underneath the wiper blade, I'll show you in a second, but there's a little tab that you can press down on, and that'll unlock the blade off of the arm. Set the arm down gently. You don't want to let it fly, it'll smash the windshield. So the tab that I was talking about is this one right here. You pull down on it, that unlocks this mechanism off of the arm, and you can pull it straight back. Set this aside. With a 13mm socket or wrench, whatever you have, remove this 13mm nut. There might be a cap over it that covers it. I don't have one. Break it free. Get this off of here so we can get the wiper arm out. And then to remove the wiper arm, pull it up gently. And sometimes they're stuck on here, so you have to kind of wiggle them a little bit to break it free. There we go. And the washer hose is attached to this little fitting here. And all you have to do is hold the fitting. You don't want to pull on it and break it, and pull the washer hose off. Take your wiper arm, discard this one. Let's go ahead and plug in the new hose into this fitting. Try not to press too hard on it. You don't want to break it. And then place your wiper arm right where it needs to mount onto the transmission right here on the windshield. You see this little dot? That is actually telling you to line up the wiper arm with that dot to make sure that it is in position. So press it down, put the mounting nut on, and let's snug it up. Okay, snug it up. Hold the wiper arm at the same time so it doesn't turn the whole assembly, transmission and motor. Okay, now that this is on, we can put the wiper blade on. Pull the wiper arm up, install the wiper blade, line it up here. Push it until it clicks. To ensure that it's secure, go ahead and give it a tug backwards. It should not come off. And then gently rest it on the windshield, and then repeat the process to the other side if you wish to do so.